Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 9th of April. I'm James Spann. Still a few lingering showers and storms today, but tomorrow will be dry. The next major system due in here over the weekend ahead. Let's talk about it. There's the upper look. Got a trough rotating through the southern states this afternoon. Roll the visible satellite view. You can see the rotation with that feature coming through. Colder air aloft. Got a few showers and storms still in progress across parts of the state. That was the radar at 2:38. And you can see a few scattered storms at that point north of Birmingham, sitting on top of Gadsden. Then a few down to the south around US 80 between Selma and Montgomery. All of those will be ending this evening. Temperatures pretty good, mostly in the 70s. Tuscaloosa sitting at 78, Birmingham at 76, Gadsden 75. We're expecting mid-80s tomorrow. Get ready for the warmest day so far this year. All right, here we go. Look at the blizzard warning in effect for parts of Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota. The winter that just will not go away. But things are fairly quiet for the southeastern states. Speaking of that blizzard warning, this is the expected snow for parts of the high plains, upper Midwest. Some locations up there, especially in South Dakota, could see 2 feet of snow with this feature. Pretty remarkable for the middle part of April. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We've got a marginal risk of severe storms for parts of the southeast United States, most of Georgia and the South Atlantic coast, a marginal risk up around New York City and Philadelphia, and also one for parts of Wyoming and Utah. This is tomorrow. Got a standard slight risk around Omaha, Nebraska, down into northern Kansas, and just north of that, that's where the big snows will be unfolding. And on day 3, which is Thursday, there's a risk of severe storms north of the state for parts of Illinois, Indiana. The trailing front could bring a few showers in here Friday, but we don't expect any severe weather. Now let's go to day 5. This is Saturday. We've got a risk of severe storms from around Lufkin, Texas to Jackson, Mississippi. And on Sunday, day 6, a severe weather risk defined for parts of Alabama. And again, we'll talk about this in more detail in just a moment. Rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals down here in the deep south. Rain amounts for the northern half of the state will likely be in the 2 to 4 inch range between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Very deep upper low in the western states. That's going to be producing a whopper of a storm. Down below that, surface low is over eastern Colorado, and the big snow begins to crank up out there. But for us, again, warm, dry, sunny with mid-80s. Going to feel like summertime. Thursday, that deep surface low is near Omaha. And again, big snows are cranking up north of the surface low. That's all snow up there. But down here, Thursday should be warm and dry, partly sunny with low 80s. Now, Friday, the surface low is southeast of Minneapolis, St. Paul. The trailing front comes in here with a chance of showers on Friday. Nothing too heavy. We don't expect any severe weather, but certainly a chance of some rain. The high should be in the 70s. Now, here's the deal for the weekend. Our new storm begins to form to the west, and that surface boundary should begin to lift northward as a warm front. And understand, at this point on Tuesday, it's impossible to say exactly when and where it's going to rain on Saturday. Number one, I don't think it rains all day. I think the sun will be out at times. It could be the better chance of rain for South Alabama early in the day, for North Alabama Saturday afternoon. But again, a chance of some rain with the warm front lifting northward. And then Sunday, a deep surface low is just to the northwest of Cincinnati with a trailing front. This run a little faster, suggesting the main batch of storms could be from midnight Saturday night until noon Sunday. And again, they could be strong to severe. Let's look at the European solution. This is midday Saturday. It's got the warm front near the Tennessee state line. The better chance of rain, if this verifies, would be over Tennessee, and a decent chunk of the day Saturday could be dry for the state and warm with temperatures around 80. And then Sunday, the European has the surface low over Illinois with the trailing cold front down through here. And again, you can see the chance of some pretty rough weather with this. And again, even the European's a little faster. So this could be a late Saturday night, Sunday morning type event the way it looks now. But again, this could change. But with this kind of configuration, the dynamic support, all modes of severe weather would be possible. Hail, strong straight-line winds, maybe tornadoes involved with this. So just be aware of that. And again, this is on a Sunday. This is Palm Sunday, so every church needs a plan, a way of getting warnings and knowing what to do if we have a tornado warning during a church service. Monday, it's all out of here. Monday will be cooler in the morning. We'll start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 70s. And a week from today, ridging building in. That looks dry and pleasant. Ooh, let's go out 10 days. Look at this thing. This is Friday the 19th. Very deep upper low just north and west of the state. That would be very unsettled for the eastern part of the country, but we'd be dry slotted if this happens to be correct. Check the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Tomorrow should be the warmest day of the next 15 days if this verifies. We'll be up to the mid-80s. And then after that, you can see those 40s in here by Monday and Tuesday morning of next week. And after that, highs mostly in the 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.